Exercise 16.03, question 13. So again, very similar to the other ones we've looked at, slightly more involved with this one though. So I'm just going to extend the vinculum out here, and I'm not going to restate it this time. You know what the question is. This time I'm just going to go straight on to the next line. So multiply both sides by the denominator. So 4x minus 3 times y, and 4x minus 3 times 1 minus 2x. Of course, that means we can cancel or divide out 4x minus 3. 4x minus 3 divided by 4x minus 3 is 1, and 1 times 1 minus 2x is 1 minus 2x. So let's expand the brackets on this side. So I've got 4xy, and I've got negative 3y. So, of course, we want all the x's on the left side and all the y's and other numbers on the right side. So let's now do that. Let's add 3y to both sides. And, of course, negative 3y and positive 3y is 0. Now, I'll leave 4xy hanging out there because I'm about to add 2x to both sides. Here it is. So I'll put 2x here, and I end up with a plus 2x. So I should have done that actually down here, but you can see ultimately what I've done. And we end up over here with 1, not minus, plus 3y. Now, let's factorize. So we're going to factorize the left-hand side, and we ask what is common to this and this, and it looks like 2x is going to be common. So let's put 2x in there. And we're going to say, well, what times 2x makes 4xy? And the answer will be 2y. And of course, what times 2x makes 2x's plus 1? And that is equal to 1 plus 3y. So now we can, of course, divide both sides by 2y plus 1, 2y plus 1. 2y plus 1 divided by 2y plus 1, anything divided by itself is 1. I'm left with 2x here, and I've got 1 plus 3y over 2y plus 1. And in the final solution, we would simply write the 3y first because we put the variable first. Now notice there are no negatives here as there have been in previous examples. And of course, the problem with negatives is it just means we have extra components. And if we can turn a negative 5 into, say, just a positive 5 without a plus in front, we've got rid of one of the elements, and we want to make our answer as succinct as possible. Now I need to find x, not 2x, so I'm now going to divide both sides by 2. So I'm going to divide this by 2, and to divide this by 2, I simply multiply the bottom of that by 2. So 2 divided by 2 is 1, 1 times x is x, and that leaves me with, I'll put 3y plus 1 over, and I'm going to expand all this out to be 4y plus 2. And there is my solution.